What's up everyone, welcome to my tutorial for the second level of the beginning trials. I am playing on master mode, but what I'm about to show you is going to work on all of the other difficulties as well. So this trial is pretty standard. I honestly think that this trial is easier than the first trial, but what I usually do is climb up this tree, and obviously you can keep jumping like that, and then we're just going to go over here, and the Chu Chu doesn't always follow that path like it did right now. In the previous level, we picked up oh, wow, I failed to pick up the claymore. You want to pick up the claymore in the previous level because that's going to help, okay? And then you're just going to go over here, and then you want to get this guy to fall off the edge, okay? And then we're going to go, and then we're not going to worry too much about those guys because we want to focus on killing this bokoblin first, all right? And I have an attack up bonus, which is going to help me, obviously. But now that we've killed that one, we want to switch to a boko spear, all right? And what we're going to do is take out this archer as soon as possible. All we need to do is hit him off of the ledge, right? And then we're going to start using this rusty halberd on him. You can use whatever weapon you have from earlier. What's important is to get used to this spinning attack here. This is going to be critical for you to continue to use during the trial of the swords. It's going to enable you to kill some of the much stronger enemies, all right? There are 2 arrows in here. You can either get 1 arrow per chest or 5 or 10. If you're lucky, it's going to be 10, but the Chu Chu's not too important. You can use the Chu Chu to try and kill the other enemies, but honestly, I don't mind it that much. You want to focus on fighting the enemies one at a time. They're going to be much easier to kill one at a time, and as you can see there, I got pretty lucky, and the Chu Chu's fire did a lot of damage to this guy. So that's going to be what took away most of his health. And I also have a damage bonus enabled, but that really isn't what's doing most of the damage. We're going to be pretty lazy here and just kill him that way, okay? So now we're going to go back up the tree, and there's 1 more enemy to kill, all right? And we're going to use the same strategy we used before. We're just going to jump off here and then get over here. Now what I want to do is get this guy. Oh, I got hit. Normally it doesn't work that way, but I screwed the little thing up here. You want to take out your weapon and then use spinning attacks. Spinning attacks are going to be really, really useful because they're going to stun a lot of your enemies, and that's going to make things much, much simpler later, right? You don't have to kill him that way, obviously, but like I said, you want to focus on killing the enemies one by one. Don't take on too many at once, especially if you are on master mode, and this trial isn't going to give you too much trouble. And you want to make sure that you get this iron sledgehammer because this is going to be critical for the next round. Alright, I hope that was useful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.